Claude Code has an undo button. Not git, an actual undo, built into the session, and it's been quietly recording the whole time you've been working. Most people have never pressed it. And the reason this matters isn't the button, it's that there are 3 specific things it will silently refuse to bring back, and you will not find out which ones until you actually need them. Here's what's already happening. Every prompt you send creates a checkpoint, a snapshot of your code before Claude touches anything. You don't turn this on. It's running now. Claude Code keeps the file snapshots for the 100 most recent checkpoints in a session, and it saves them with the conversation, so you can still rewind after you resume a session tomorrow. They're deleted along with the session after 30 days, and you can change that with cleanup period days. To open it, /rewind, or press escape twice when the prompt input is empty. One catch: if there's text in the input, double escape clears the text instead. It's not lost, it goes into your input history, so press up to get it back. The menu lists every prompt you sent this session. Pick a point, then pick what to undo. And this is the part people miss. It's not one button, it's 4. Restore code and conversation, both. Restore conversation only. Rewind the chat, keep the code you like. Restore code only. Keep the conversation, throw away the edits. And 2 summarize options that compress the conversation from that point forward, or up to it, to free context space. The code options only show up if that checkpoint actually has file changes to revert. So here's the question. Claude runs a bash command, rm, on one of your files. 2 prompts later, you realize, you hit /rewind and you restore the code. Does that file come back? No. And this is the one that catches people. Checkpointing tracks the changes Claude makes through its file editing tools. It does not track files modified by bash commands. rm, mv, cp. Those changes cannot be undone through rewind. The snapshot only ever covered what the edit tools touched. Second one, Subagent edits. When a subagent applies changes, they land outside your session's checkpoints, so rewinding doesn't restore them, even though the subagent used the exact same file editing tools. That includes a background code review fix run. The exception is a skill running with context fork in the foreground during your own turn. Those get restored normally. For everything else, git is your undo. Third, Symlinks and hardlinks. When you restore code, Claude Code skips any tracked path that's a symlink or a hardlink and tells you, restored the code but skipped n files. Those files keep their current contents. If you use a .file manager that Symlinks config into your project, or pnpm, which hardlinks packages into place, this is you. Turn on /debug before you restore, and the debug log names every path it skipped. Now the part almost nobody uses. Those 2 summarize options are a targeted /compact. Head a long, verbose debugging session that ate your context, summarize from that midpoint forward, and keep your original instructions intact. It doesn't change a single file on disk, and the original messages stay in the transcript, so Claude can still reference the details. You can even steer it, highlight the option, and type instructions before you hit enter. One more that's genuinely useful. If you ran /clear earlier in the same session, the rewind menu shows an extra entry at the top. Resume previous session. Select it and you get the conversation you cleared. It's there until you exit Claude Code or resume something else. So, every prompt is already a checkpoint. /rewind or escape on an empty input. 4 restore options, not 1. And 3 things it will not bring back. Anything a bash command touched, anything a subagent edited, and anything behind a symlink or a hardlink. Checkpoints are local undo. Git is permanent history. You still need both. If you want the one that pairs with this, the permissions video is on screen. That's how you stop Claude reaching those files at all.